So we are at a condominium association right now in beautiful sunny Dunedin, Florida. This is 4 buildings, and we are installing DuraDeck. So DuraDeck is a vinyl walkable decking system that is very high end and allows for you to walk on it, but also is completely water impervious. First step right now, as we can see, is we are laying out the tongue and groove plywood. The whole point is to get ourselves a perfect smooth surface for our DuraDeck to lay. The next thing, once you lay the tongue and groove plywood out, is that as we can see along all of these seams and joints, they take this compound and they get it on here and then they sand it. You should not be able to feel the seam of the wood if you've done it correctly. When the DuraDeck gets glued and fully adhered to this, we don't want to see those seams coming out through the gluing process. So we have to make sure that our screws are the correct amount per center. So right here, these are about 6 inches on center. That is what we want to see. Again, right there, about 6 inches on center. This is Florida. This is a high wind zone. We have removed the railings. When we take them off, we are removing and inspecting that area of decking to see if there's any water intrusion. There is a block wall underneath here. And the top of that block wall, we are inspecting it to make sure that the concrete is 100% filled in. So that is just to make sure that, again, we're structurally sound, because our railing is going to go in here and our railing needs to have something good to bolt into. Up against any of these walls, we're going to have what's called a counter flashing. When we do this, we're going to do a 2-part system. First, we're going to have a termination bar, they call it. It's a piece of metal with these holes in it. You can fasten and hold down the material. Behind that, we put a heavy-duty sealant. So this is extremely waterproof for water that hits this wall and comes down. After we have done that, we put a bead of caulking over that, and then finally, we put a counter flashing right here. They call it a surface mount counter flashing. All of the Florida hurricanes can hit this wall and come down, and that will never leak, and it will also look good.